Hi, my name is Creed and I'm a videographer with over 14 years of experience in the industry. And I'm going to tell you quickly why I shoot all my videos on a phone camera and why you should do the same. Look, this is not one of those silly filmed on an iPhone adverts. All I'm saying is that you don't need a fancy camera to start your film journey. You can start now, and that's with the object you probably have in your hand. So here are a few reasons why I film on my phone camera. The first reason, it's incredibly convenient. When have you ever left the house without bringing your phone? On the other hand, when have you left the house not wanting to bring your higher end camera? There have been many instances I didn't use my professional camera because it was either too heavy, I didn't have the battery charge, or it would draw too many eyes. Before I leave the house, it's the quick keys, wallet, phone tap. Moments are brief and unexpected, so being able to reach into your pocket to capture a moment in time is truly amazing. Reason 2. Phone camera tech continues to get better.
We're going to reinvent the phone.
It feels like every year a new phone comes out with additional lenses. Fisheye, wide, telephoto, and software that allows 100 times zoom with no pixelation. Well, maybe a little bit of pixelation. But still, it's extremely good. This little device can shoot 4K footage, has extremely good stabilization, and can now also shoot log. Not to mention applications like Blackmagic or the latest Final Cut camera that gives you more control over your camera. Of course, the quality will not be as good as that of a professional camera, but with some tweaks in post, it can get damn close. Reason 3. Small form factor. Because of its size and lightweight, you can place your camera in really interesting places, like in here, or underneath here, or on top of here. This opens you to a lot of different options and allows your creativity to go wild. Also, importantly, when you're out in public, it doesn't draw any attention, so you can film without that feeling you're being watched. Of course, there's a few things to consider. For instance, you can easily run out of space. My phone only has 256 gig, which is why I avoid filming in log. I understand that I'm missing out on a lot in terms of flexibility in post, but the amount of space log takes up means I'll be transferring daily. A very cool workaround is of course the external hard drive, but if I'm going to do that, then I might as well bring my other camera. But there it is, 3 main reasons why I use my phone to film my videos. And just to prove my point, all the footage you saw was filmed on an iPhone.